Is a full 24 karat gold plated Colt 1911 Series 70 model that I have as a demonstration piece from Ford's Refinishing. So essentially they had this one done and all 24 karat gold plating as a demonstration piece so that I can show all of you. And as you can see, it's very difficult to film it without getting all my reflection in the piece itself. Now these I will not carry in stock because they are very difficult to maintain, and I don't foresee a lot of people wanting this model over my highest selling model, which is the nickel and 24 karat gold plating, that mirror nickel finish. And as I'm going to point out, these are very difficult as far as maintenance is concerned, because to get it all 24 karat gold plated, sometimes you have a few flaws